So we are doing exercise 7.1 up to question number 3 we had done earlier. Today we will be solving these questions. So the first question is, what fraction of day is 8 hours? So how will we find out? Number of total number of hours, question number 8. Question number 4, total number of hours in a day is equal to 24. Therefore 8 hours is equal to 8 by 24 hours of a day. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो क्या हो जाएगा 1/3 इज इक्वल टू 1/3 of the day. Clear? Understood everyone? You can raise your hand so I can see. There is an option for raising hand. 2 participants, 3 participants, 4 participants. I should keep on counting. Yes, 5, 6. Quickly raise your hands. Yes, 6. Quickly. Some more. You might be finding out where raise hand has to be done. See, if you check your icon, then 3 dots are there. Click on those 3 dots, you will find the options for interacting. Okay. So when you understand, then raise your hand, so I'll go ahead. Then next. Then we'll take next question. Next question is, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Similarly, what we will do? We will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, fraction of minutes in 40 minutes of an hour is equal to, smaller we keep at the top, numerator, bigger we keep at the bottom, denominator. Then it becomes a proper fraction. Divide it, it becomes 2/3. Answer. Then we will go for next question. Yes, keep raising hands like that. Very good. Control C. It is said that Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya brought two sandwiches, one made up of vegetable and one made up of jam. The other two forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share the sandwiches so that each person will have equal share. How can Arya divide sandwiches so that each person gets equal share? Okay. See, three-person are there and two sandwiches are there. Number of sandwiches is equal to 2 and number of friends is equal to 3. So first, A, two sandwiches should be divided into three equal parts. Or B, how much part each one will get? So each one will get 2 by 3 part of the sandwich. Next question. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. So far, she had finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? Total number of dresses is equal to 30. Number of dresses dyed. Dyed means colored, is equal to 20. Therefore, fraction of dresses in which dyeing is finished is equal to 20 by 30 equal to 2 by 3 answer. Next. Okay, so many chats are there. I understand. Sir, please send screenshot of this. I will be uploading the video of this also, and I have sent you the solutions in the form of PDF also. Okay, don't worry about that. I have all the materials. In whatever way you want, I can give you. Now there are two questions which are similar. Question number 8 and 9. Write all the natural numbers from 2 to 12 and find the fraction of them which are prime numbers. Okay. So question number 8 we will do at first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Out of these the prime numbers are 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? 5 prime numbers are there. Number of prime numbers is equal to 5. But total numbers of numerals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So fraction of prime number in the given set is equal to 5 by 11. Answer. Understood everyone? Everyone should raise their hand. I should see all 30 hand raised. Why only 10, 12 take part in the discussion? I am muting you all because the background noise in your family and environment is not in your control. Okay, you cannot control that. That is why I'm muting you. Still see, you can chat. I'm reading your chat also. You can write here also. You can write, I understand, I understand, I understand. Okay. You can raise your hand. 11, 12 raise hands. Hand raised are there. 50% hand raised are there. That means rest of them are inactive. Okay, some are writing here. I am understanding. Very good, Nandini Ajmera. Very good, Nidhi Gardia. Very good, Dev Prajapat. Very good, Bhumika. Very good, Adya Sharma. Yes, you all are active. Very good students. Okay, we will do the next question now. This question number 8 we have done already. Question number 9 we will do. Write all the natural numbers between 102 and 113. So 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, and 113. So we have to see, these are all natural numbers. Now prime number we have to see. Is this a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Is this a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number. Is this a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Is this a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Is this a prime number? With anything it gets deducted 2 times. Yes, not a prime number. What about this? Yes, it is a prime number. This is not a prime number. Is this a prime number? Yes, a prime number. No, not a prime number. 111, does it come in any table? No, it is a prime number. It is not a prime number, it is a prime number. Now let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So number of prime numbers. Some chat responses are there. You can write your response in the chat also if you differ from my answer. If you think that my answer should be different or your answer should be different, let me know. Okay, this is 103. So 5 I can see here. So number of prime numbers. Seen कितना देखा हमने 5. नंबर ऑफ न्यूमरल्स कितने हैं? काउंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 हो गए. Therefore fraction of prime number. Fraction of prime numbers in the given set is equal to 5 by 12. Answer. Very good, everyone. Yes, I can see your overt responses. Yes. Oh, somebody saying, sir, 111 comes in the table of 3. Okay, let us see. Then we will correct. Let us see. 111 in the table of 3. 3 threes are 9. So now how much it becomes? 21. So 7. Yes. So this will also not be a prime number. Very good. So how we will correct? We will make it 4. We'll make it 4. Then this will become 4. So we can simplify this. After simplifying, what we will get? We will get 1 by 3 answer. So who found the error? Let me see the name of the child. Who said? Nidhi Gadia, very good. So I will give you one stamp for this. This. 5 stars to Nidhi. Next question we will do. Okay, this question is a picture based question. I will draw the picture. What fraction of these circles have x in them? Now, in your book, you will find that this kind of figure is given. Circle, 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 circle. And inside the circle, there are some crosses. So, what fraction is there that we have to find out? What fraction of the circle x have x's in them? So, fraction which has x in them is equal to 4 by total is how many? 8 is equal to how many? 1 by answer 4 twos are 8. Next question, you can take screenshot. I will count 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next question, Christine received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. So number of CDs received as gift is equal to 5, and number of CDs bought will be equal to 3. So fraction of CDs bought will be equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 5 will be equal to 3 by 8, and fraction of CDs received as gift is equal to 5 divided by 3 plus 5 will be equal to 5 by 8. The magic is you have to see that sum of all fractions is always equal to 1. Example, here if you will see, if I take this 3 by 8 and if I take this 5 by 8, so this will become 8 by 8 and it will become 1. So fraction means a part of 1. All right. So any fraction which is more than 1, that is why it's called as improper fraction. About that we will be discussing tomorrow in our class. Okay. So we'll be studying how to represent fraction in number line, and how to find out which fraction is proper and which fraction is not proper. Thank you for coming live into the class. We'll see you again tomorrow at the same time. Be ready for the next class now. Have a great day ahead. You can leave the meeting. Bye bye everyone.